Chiliz value equivalent to 270,389 rands a coin. The present cost range, 280,889 to 80.75. The earlier day close, 270,565. The change was 0176.64%. Reverse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 358 rands. Exorbitant cost 444, while low cost 358. They found the middle value of cost 394. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 415. Change for July 15.9%. Chiliz estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at 415 rands. Exorbitant cost 490, while low cost 415. They found the middle value of cost 445. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 458. Change for August 10.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 458 rands. Exorbitant cost 520, while low cost 452. They found the middle value of cost 479. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 486, change for September 6.1%. Chiliz gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 486 rands. Exorbitant cost 534, while low cost 464. They found the middle value of cost 496. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 499, change for October 27%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 499 rands. Exorbitant cost 542, while low cost 472. They found the middle value of cost 505. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 507, change for November 16%. Chiliz estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 507 rands. Exorbitant cost 528, while low cost 458. They found the middle value of cost 497. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 493, change for December 28%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 493 rands. Excessive cost 536, while low cost 466. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 499. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 501, change for January 16%. Chiliz figure for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 501 rands. Excessive cost 545, while low cost 473. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 507. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 509, change for February 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 509 rands. Excessive cost 589, while low cost 509. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 539. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 550, change for spring 81%. Chiliz conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 550 rands. Excessive cost 550, while low cost 455. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 511. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 489, change for April 11.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 489 rands. Exorbitant cost 542, while low cost 472. They found the middle value of cost 503. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 507, change for May 37%. Chiliz figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 507 rands. Excessive cost 629, while low cost 507. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 558. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 588, change for June 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 588 rands. Excessive cost 639, while low cost 555. They found the middle value of cost 595. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 597, change for July 15%. Chiliz estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at 597 rands. Exorbitant cost 649, while low cost 565. They found the middle value of cost 605. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 607, change for August 17%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 607 rands. Exorbitant cost 616, while low cost 536. They found the middle value of cost 584. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 576, change for September 5.1%. Chiliz gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 576 rands. Exorbitant cost 707, while low cost 576. They found the middle value of cost 630. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 661, change for October 14.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 661 rands. Exorbitant cost 821, while low cost 661. They found the middle value of cost 718. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 767, change for November 16%. Chiliz conjecture for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 767 rands. Excessive cost 952, while low cost 767. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 844. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 890, change for December 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 890 rands. Exorbitant cost 967, while low cost 841. They found the middle value of cost 901. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 904, change for January 16%. Chiliz gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 904 rands. Exorbitant cost 982, while low cost 854. They found the middle value of cost 915. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 918, change for February 15%. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 918 rands. Exorbitant cost 998, while low cost 868. They found the middle value of cost 929. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 933, change for spring 16%. Chiliz estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 933 rands. Exorbitant cost 1158, while low cost 933. They found the middle value of cost 1027. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1082, change for April 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 1082 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.5, while low cost 1047. They found the middle value of cost 1115. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1126, change for May 1%. Chiliz figure for June 2026. To start with, cost at 1126 rands. Exorbitant cost 1224, while low cost 1064. They found the middle value of cost 1140. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1144, change for June 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2026. To start with, cost at 1144 rands. Exorbitant cost 1243, while low cost 1081. They found the middle value of cost 1158. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1162, change for July 16%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2026. At the outset, cost at 1160.